How to find Nando's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Nando's promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Nando's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, nandos.promocodes.net.au. You can also use this one website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Nando's. Just scroll down and check out the offers: $10 off, 50% off, $20 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. With that, you'll get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Nando's. So this way you can easily find Nando's working promo code. Also, you can check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Nando's. Let me check out this one, worthpenny.com. In this website as well, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Nando's. Just scroll down and check out the offers. To grab any of the offers, just click on it and you'll get the code for it. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.